Hey there loves! In today's video I have a quick meal prep video for you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so let's get into it. So for breakfast I made these banana chocolate chip oatmeal cups. They were really good. I found it on a food vlog. I'll link the recipe below. Use fairly simple ingredients and it's a really healthy recipe. It has cinnamon, nutmeg, coconut oil, oats, pure maple syrup. Instead of using regular eggs, I use flax egg to veganize the recipe. For lunch I made Southwestern tofu scramble. I made this recipe before but it was really good, so I made it again. I chopped up 2 sweet potatoes and I seasoned it with sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, and a little bit of oil and baked it at 425. Next I'm sauteing half a yellow onion, and once that's cooked I added 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Now I'm crumbling in 1 block of extra firm tofu. You don't have to drain it. Now I'm seasoning it with black pepper, sea salt, garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of turmeric. Now I'm adding 1 can of rinsed and drained black beans. I'm adding a half teaspoon of cumin and 1 sauteed green pepper that I forgot to add earlier. And now I'm just adding the sweet potatoes and mixing it all up together. I eat this with ketchup. This recipe is very versatile. It's good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You get to choose. For dinner, I'm meal prepping some Thai stir-fry noodles. First, I'm browning the tofu on each side until it's golden brown. I seasoned it with a little bit of black pepper and garlic powder. In a separate pan, I sauteed a yellow onion, and I'm adding some crushed garlic to it as well. Now I'm adding the noodles and the onion and garlic mixture to the pan, along with some peppercorn that I'm going to sprinkle on. Now I'm adding some chili powder and the sauce mixture. The sauce I'm pouring on is just 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Now I'm adding it to a container, and I also steamed some broccoli. And I'm topping it with some green onion. I just put the remaining ingredients in Ziploc bags so I can have it to cook when I'm ready. Well, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.